I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by proving your identity, so gather your SIN document, primary photo ID, and proof of address. Use a private, updated device and stable network to reduce fraud risk. Next, sign into the government online portal or create an account if you don't have one. This centralizes verification and speeds processing. Once authenticated, navigate to the SIN change or update section and choose the reason for update. This tells the system which documents and fields you'll be asked to complete. You will now fill the online update form carefully because errors delay processing. Enter your legal name exactly as on ID, birth date, SIN, and select the reason for change. The system uses these to validate your claim. Upload legible scans or photos, follow file type and size limits so automated checks pass. Once done, use the preview function to inspect every field and uploaded document. Small mismatches cause rejections. Make corrections before finalizing to avoid repeat submissions and longer wait times. You finish by submitting and immediately saving the confirmation number and any reference ID. This is your proof and makes follow-up faster. After submission, routinely check the portal for status updates because processing times differ by workload and complexity. If the update is approved, download or print the updated record. If it's rejected, read the rejection reason carefully, then correct only the flagged items, upload clearer documents, and resubmit. This targeted fix prevents repeated rejections and accelerates final resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.